So, what happened that intellectual creation whatever is there, that is getting more importance, and therefore, what happened, it is necessary, it becomes a mandatory requirement to protect that creation. And in earlier session I have shared with you that how exactly the Paris Convention that conceptualized how that particular event happened, and then the discussion for the Paris Convention related to IP, that is a modern IP system starting point we can say. It was like it has taken birth we can say in 1886, right. So, that was a 1883-86 Berne Convention, Paris Convention, and that is the period when this like discussion about intellectual property become very serious, especially you can see that all developments in Europe. Now, in this intellectual property, when it is emerged as a like knowledge economy, when it is taking a important